Hi guys, welcome to Jim's How-To channel. I'm Tim from Jim's Security Doors. I've got a couple of options here to show you of what sort of security door mesh you might choose depending on what you're using it for. So we've got the 316 marine grade stainless steel, great vision. Have a look at that. So nice and strong, no problem there. And you can see my hand behind there. Really good vision, great ventilation. Then we go to the heavy duty privacy mesh. Again, really strong, nice and strong. Presents really well. Can't see through to the door, so if you've got a lovely front door that you want to show off, this is not the mesh. But if someone comes to the front door, you're not going to be able to have them see you unless they get up really super close, and it's still going to be restricted. So you can see there, you just can't see through under normal lighting conditions, okay? So really good for privacy, so on a main road or a unit complex or anything like that, or you just want that extra layer of security, of feeling safe inside your house. That's a really good option. Strong and also visually great. Okay, so we've got the perforated aluminium here. This is one sheet of aluminium. It's between 1.6 and 2 millimeters thick, and it's got holes straight through it. They're all evenly distributed. Looks really nice and modern on a new house. Some of the meshes don't look great. This one will allow you to see through to you might have a door with a nice window in it or a handle or whatever. You want to be able to still see that door but not compromise on security. This is the mesh that you want to choose. You can still see through it nicely, so you'll still be able to see that door. Still nice and strong. Perforated aluminium, great for ventilation, great for vision as well. You pop a triple lock on there, meets and exceeds the Australian standard. Here we've got what you consider to be a standard Flyscreen. This is a standard fiberglass mesh, so it's the cheapest mesh you can get. It's pretty standard, it's across most houses, great for keeping out most bugs. It is a little bit really tiny bugs. If you live near a dam or something like that, you might get the little midgy bugs. They might get through that, but most bugs you're gonna cover off with those, okay? You've then got your pet mesh. So again, great, keep the bugs out, no problem, but it's a lot stronger, okay? Your pets will be able to not do too much damage to that. That's gonna withstand really well. And neither of those are very good in a bushfire scenario. So then you've got stainless steel mesh, okay? The problem with the stainless steel mesh, or the only real issue with the stainless steel mesh, is it does have a memory. So when you crush it or bend it or something like that, it will hold that memory there. But in a bushfire area, that's what you need to have. All right guys, thanks for tuning into Jim's How-To channel. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I'm Tim from Jim's Security Doors. I hope to talk to you soon. Catch you later.